Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of 2.489 and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining above that level, we will see it will move above a level of 2.5. Okay, if you go on 15 minutes chart, you will see that there is a clear indication that there is a higher chances of going further upside because there is U pattern is also forming, and as soon as this range breakout happens, we have seen a fall and a swing has formed. Now there is a continuous upside. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, as soon as it started going above a level of 2.5, there will be a zone breakout will happen and chances of going further upside we can see. Now let's look in on a day wise chart. You will see, okay, looking at this particular chart also, there is a high probability of further upside movement because from 2 days there is a continuous upside and a zone breakout happens, then we can see, as we have seen, that a little gap is still pending. So chances are high as soon as it touches a level of 2.5, it will go further upside towards a level of $2.5284, and from there a probability of crossing $2.6 also will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. See, opposite U pattern is forming. This is from June of 2023, and there is a continuous downfall if the price fall below. So once the price fall below a level of $2.4, we will see a further downfall because there is a higher chances that there will be a pattern will form if the price started falling below $2.4. Now it is trading at a level of $2.4890, and once started going below this level, a probability of crossing a level of 2.3 we can see, and from there a further fall. Okay, but if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 2.7, then a probability of touching 2.9 will be there, and from there it will move above a level of $3. Okay, and chances will be higher that if the price keep moving above that level, a further upside movement we can see. An opposite U pattern is also forming if you look at this particular trend. Okay, because if you look at this trend from 2020, chances are higher that if the price, and I have already explained you that if the price started falling below a level of 2.9, a further fall we can see because longer view is on the downside. Okay, and there is a higher chances that it will start moving further low if the price move below a level of 2.2 because there is a clear indication on it. If you go on a dollar index also, we have seen the clear pattern is forming, same pattern we have seen in the dollar index also, which I have shown in my month. So probability can be higher a further fall. Okay, so now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, if you look at this particular chart, chances are high, suppose if the price sustain this level it is for a short period, chances are high, suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, it will touch a level of $2.5308, and then there is a higher chances it will be on the high of this zone. So once started going up this level, we will see it will cross this level, and above a level it will cross a level of $2.5841, and from there a probability of going towards a level of around $2.7 is there, and this 2.7 is also being tested here. So chances are high we can see it will move above a level of $2.7918, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $2.9345. This $2.9345 is a half this zone, so probability is higher that it will cross a level of around $3.0853, and from there a further upside movement we can see, which is a higher probability that we can see it will touch a level of $3.385, and from there a probability of going towards 3.58. Once the price started going up that level, we will see it will cross a level of $3.65 also, and then the zone breakout will happen, and then we can see a further movement towards. So you have to understand, see, market is uncertain, so always trying setting your SL will save your capital, and if you if you have a profit, always try to trail your profit. These things, two things you have to understand if you want to sustain for a longer period of time. We are sustaining these two things, and you can sustain for a longer period. Price didn't sustain, chances are very high, yes, if the price move below a level of 2.4, we can see it will move further down, and yes, a probability of going towards $2.398, and if the price started moving below that level, we will see it will further fall towards a level of 2.3079. Once the price started moving below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.2073 will be there. Okay, and if it started going below this particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.54 is there, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 2.0734. Okay, and if the price is started moving below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see, and from there a further fall towards a level of around 1.8910 is there, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 1.624 also there. Okay, keep that in mind that as soon as the price started falling below 2.4, chance of touching 2.2 will be there, and once started going below that level, we will see it will cross a level of $2 and it will touch a level of $1.98, and from there a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Again, the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you need to